Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Ahad Beauty World. Today in this video I will share with you, most expensive home remedies. Before we learn about the procedures, it's important to know about the factors that affect your hair growth. By identifying the root cause, you can choose the right remedy for better results. Here are some of the major contributors which stop your hair from growing. Age. Just the way your physical body experiences changes with age, even your hair follicles can go through the process. With age, the shafts get damaged and are prone to hair fall. Even the rate of hair growth also slows down. Stress. Lifestyle stress can not only affect your body and mind, but also stunt your hair growth. Stress can trigger certain hormones, which temporarily pauses your growth cycle. Genetics. If your parents or immediate family members has poor hair growth rate, chances are that you could face it too. Genes play an important role in deciding the length and volume of your hair. Chemicals and heat. In an attempt to look good, many people use chemicals and heat styling, leading to permanent damage of the hair. Not only does it decrease the quality of hair, but also halts the growth. Alopecia. This is an autoimmune disease, which attacks your own cells. People who have alopecia have patches of hair falling off and a high risk of zero hair growth in future. How to grow long hair with home remedies. Do you know how to grow and get long hair by using home remedies quickly? Here is a list of best and effective long hair remedies. 1. Eggs for hair growth. Home remedies for long hair to save. Here is one of the best home remedies for long hair growth with egg. Eggs are filled with protein, which is essential as nourishment for hair care. They are rich in nutrients like biotin, lecithin and folate, along with other vitamins like E, K and D. Egg is also high in key amino acids, which can boost your hair growth and nourish your strands. Ingredients: egg yolks. 2 olive oil -1 tablespoon. Preparation time, 5 minutes. How to prepare and apply. Beat eggs well to achieve a creamy consistency. Add olive oil to this mixture. Apply it on wet hair evenly. Leave it on for 30 minutes. Wash with a mild shampoo. 2. Fenugreek seeds for long hair. Fenugreek seeds for long hair save to stop hair fall and loss completely. Try using the power of fenugreek seeds. Also called methi, this ingredient fights hair fall by eliminating scalp problems and infections. It can even condition your hair naturally and make it incredibly smooth. Methi definitely tops the list of home remedies for growing hair faster and longer. Ingredients: fenugreek seeds, 3 to 4 tablespoons lemon juice, few drops water. To soak. Preparation time, 5 minutes plus overnight soaking. How to prepare and apply. Make a paste out of soaked fenugreek seeds. Add a little water to form a smooth consistency. Add a few drops of lemon juice to this mixture. Apply it evenly on scalp and hair. Leave it on for 30 minutes and wash with a mild shampoo. So friend, if you find this video useful, hit that like button to give it more value and don't forget to share on your social networks, so that others can benefit from it too. Thanks for watching.